Most welcome to my classes. Earlier I have told you that how the active voice change into passive voice in present tense and in past tense. Today I will tell you how the passive voice we will make in the future tense. You see, if the active voice in future indefinite tense the active voice in the future indefinite, how will you change it to passive voice? Subject plus will or shall plus be plus third form of verb plus by plus object. You know how will you recognize the sentence? This is the future indefinite, subject, then will or shall, then first form of the verb. But when we change into passive voice, then we will put a subject, will or shall, according to our subject, then be, then third form of the verb, then by, then object. Example, he will win the match. He will win the match. He, subject, win, first form of the verb, and the match, object, and will is the helping verb, and you will recognize here is subject plus will or shall, then first form of the verb, then object. So this is the future indefinite. So how will we do? The match, object will change into subject, then will, then I have told you we will put here be, then third form, win, won. The match will be won by, he will convert into him. He will win the match will be won by him. And you always know कि active voice of the future continuous will not make, कि future continuous का कोई passive voice नहीं बनता, future perfect का बनेगा. अब if the active voice is given in future perfect, then कैसे हम चेंज करेंगे? एक्टिव वॉइस हमें फ्यूचर परफेक्ट में दिया होगा. यू नो इट्स आइडेंटिफिकेशन, subject plus will or shall plus have plus third form of the verb, then you will identify the sentences of the future perfect. Subject plus will or shall, then have, then we will add here been plus third form of verb plus by, then object. What is that identification of future perfect tense? Subject, then will or shall, plus have, then verb की third form. When you will convert active voice into passive voice, then same type, subject plus will or shall, then have, only we will put here been and same by object. Example, they will have planted a tree. They will have planted a tree. They, subject, have planted, verb, a tree, object. Now in passive voice, we will change Audrey will have been. Only we will add here been. Have been planted by. They will convert into them. You must learn. They will convert into them. I will convert into me. He will convert into him. And she will convert into her. And we will convert into us. Okay? This also you have to will learn. So they will have planted a tree. A tree will have been planted by them. I think so. You have understood the passive voice because I have told you in very easy method and every tense I have given in different videos, so you can understand very well if you want. Okay? You must keep only in mind. I will convert into me. We will convert into us. They will convert into them. He, him, she, her. ओके और यू तो यू में रहेगा. तो अब आपको समझ आ गया होगा अच्छे से. इफ यू लाइक एज यूजुअल आई से like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again. We will meet with the next topic in next video.